Okay. Somewhat unexpected. Itching to get into the countryside, and I'm in a last second old time's sake traffic jam. Okay, clear ahead. One of the pleasures of being on a bike. A little bit of cautious. Watch people like this. They could just decide to do something interesting. Okay, there missed the truck. It's not stopped too close. Can't know which way the direction traffic's going. I'm guessing that's not the main road. I hope it isn't. Feels like a bit of a suburban route because that big truck's coming in with some ore. Could be coming in from the platinum mines. I guess. I think I'm going the right way. These huge 7 million ton trucks on these roads. Wow. Right. Follow the trucks, I guess. Shish kebab. Okay. Clearing along. Fourth gear, fifth gear. Fifth gear at 1,500 revs. Idling basically. Or a bit more, but pothole. Truck coming in from the left. I guess that's where we turn. I hope. taxi coming in. I guess that's where we turn. Or is it? I'm going to go with it because of these big trucks coming in. Some other cars have got another idea. Hey. Stop too close in case he rolls back a bit. This could be the Hendrik Potgieter again. Up ahead. Krugersdorp Ridge ahead. I'm quite sure the center of many old wars. Okay, it's better to wait for a little bit of distance and then do one pull rather than nib along. It's more twitchy. Temperature's climbing a bit, halfway. Normally when I'm rolling it's hardly off cold. But all the slow stuff works up your temperature. 3, 2, 1, green. Back on Hendrik Potgieter. I said that other light was maybe number 5. Oh, lovely weather for riding. Just could be a spit in the spot coming. Not sure, I didn't check the weather. So that'll be light number 4. All my bags still seem packed. I dropped my balaclava thing that I designed. Might provide a bit of shelter for the mic. Maybe, I don't know. See how that works. Let me know if it works. On bike sometimes you've got to be careful too, because sometimes you find a neutral between second and third if you don't change the gear down enough, which just happened to me now. The danger is you think you stop, put your clutch out, and then suddenly it grabs a gear. All motorbikes have a neutral light on them, green light telling you you've got neutral, so Always worth checking. Okay, Truckee. Thank you, Truckee. I don't know if you can see that sort of undulating mountain on the right. Hill Mountain could be a bit far on the GoPro because of the wide angle. Zoom in over there. It's quite a lovely landmark. Lots of lodges out there and places. Little short bike routes. If you want to just take a quick ride somewhere, you out into the country on the right. Right, you can feel country coming. We've still got to get past one more big intersection and shopping centre. That was 4, there's 3 coming up. And that's going to be the last light, I think. Might have been right, 3. Let's see. At the shopping centre there'll be another one, and then the intersection. I'm probably up to interested to see how the wind handles with the noise on the mic. But I'm at 85 k's an hour, running at almost 3,500 revs. So when I'm on the open road, I'll probably do a bit more. I typically won't go more than 4,000 revs, which gets you at 90 to 100. But even this is comfortable. I'm not really interested in rushing. So I'm going to be out a couple on the lights. Here's number 2. Check. All good. That's if you can see on the left ahead, that's the last huge shopping centre.